We've just acquired this absolutely stunning Volvo V60. It's the diesel D4 5-cylinder R design top range. It's in stunning condition. The wheels unblemished, all in on Michelin Pilot tyres. The water pump, the CAMBELT, has been replaced. It's got a full immaculate service history. Rear parking sensors, twin exhausts, rear diffuser, R design carpet mats. It's got the R design interior, blue dials, absolutely stunning condition throughout. At DJH we do offer full dealer facilities, including finance and warranty packages and part exchange. Please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.